Hello, my name is Tom. Today I'll be working with the AutoTech Controls Programmable Limit Switch Model 1050. In this video, I am going to be adjusting the offset for machine position. Now I'm going to get started here, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit here and show you the materials and also the project description. Under the materials, if you follow the hyperlink, it should take you directly to the AutoTech Controls website. Now in the project description, I'd like to give you a brief rundown on what's going on here. Now this procedure is being written up for a trim press made by Brown Machine. The resolver, which is actually giving the position to the controller, is connected to the main shaft for the flywheel, which actually drives the movable platen forward and back. Now with that being said, what I will be doing is giving a machine position of 0 when the movable platen is all the way up against the stationary platen. So that's going to be my 0 position. So when my machine is in 0 position, I want my controller to be at 0 also, because this is going to turn on and off outputs on this controller. So the most likely time that you'll be performing this procedure is when the controller or the resolver has been replaced, or if you have removed the resolver and did not replace it back in the same exact position that it came out, you'll probably be performing this procedure. Now in order to perform this procedure, the controller program needs to be enabled. So let me show you. I have the manual pulled up here. And in order to enable it, it says right here, inputs, PE and OE and etc. may be connected to V0 output or an external 11 to 28 volts DC source. So here's your PE right here, which is terminal number 14 on terminal block 5. So you would just jumper it over to terminal number 15. So I'm going to come back here to my setup sheet. Now I'm going to continue scrolling down here and show you the step-by-step guide that I have. In step 1, I am showing you an actual picture of a trim press. These are the stationary and movable platens. Right now they are apart and they need to be put together so that the die set is actually cutting through the plastic. And I'm going to scroll down here to step 2. In step 2, I'm actually comparing the programmable limit switch position against the machine position, and I have determined that I need to adjust the offset so that my position on the controller reads 0. I'm going to scroll down here to step 3. In step 3, I navigate to the offset, and here in step 4, I will be setting the machine 0 position on the controller so that the controller reads 0 when the machine position is in 0 position. And I'll scroll down here to step 5. In step 5, my machine position is 0, and I save the changes that I've made, and I've come back to the monitor screen. So I'm going to go to the video here and show you how it's done. Here I have an AC AutoTech Controls Programmable Limit Switch Model 1050. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to show you how to put in an offset here. As you can see, my position here is 158, and that's right here. And my RPM is 0, and I am in program number 1. But what I want to do is I want to set this to a 0 position, because for the platens, when they are closed, it is 0 position, and I'm going to assume that they are closed. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press the mode button one time. And here is my scale factor, and my scale factor is 360 degrees. So I'm going to press it again. I'm going to keep that in mind. And right now my offset is set at 204 degrees. Now what I can do here, I can just come here and press the increment button until, if you see this number here, you'll watch this number here will go down. So I'll keep coming here, and I'll go up and up and up. And right now my new offset is 47.
that's the easy way to do it. Now you could do the math and just plug in a number if you want, but that's the easiest way to do the offset. Now if I come back here, as you can see, my position is now 0.
Well, that was kind of easy. As you can see, it's a pretty simple procedure. So if you like my video or you learned something, let me know, leave a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you next video.